Extreme Motors Robot 085 here. Sorry about sound. Today we're going to show you these talking truck, my talking dump truck. And here's both of them. So I got these flashing lights. Let me shut them down for you. Yeah, they are Keep Smile. They work really well. Stop. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. Yeah. The controller's acting weird. Okay, so back to here. This one was from 2010. And this one was 2012. This one I got yesterday. 2023. 2023 April. Yeah, I got my Goodwill store, my big one. This one has some problems. The problem on this one is it does not flip correct. It does not flip correctly. This is the tumbling truck. Like if I press go into the tumble mode, guess what it does? Yeah, it does not flip. It just ticks.
Here we go.
See that? That's the problem. And this one, I got this one at my old Goodwill store, 2022, June or May, I guess. I don't know. These two options. This one have 3 AA's, I guess. And this one takes 3 C batteries. And yeah, the speaker is horrible. There's like a dots on that thing. I don't know why. And here's the tickle mode. It's on low battery a little. It used to shake and it does not shake anymore. Well, it's doing a sound. But this one, I don't know, because I think there's accessories on this one. Yeah, I think there's some accessories on it to make different sounds on it. And if you press this button.
Wanna race? Let's get ready to race. Gear me up.
Yeah, I used to have another one of this one in 2012 with my little baby. And it actually used to flip very well, and it started ticking and the speaker blew out. And now I have the rumbling truck, and the relay switcher is broken, and it was still talking. And the sensors are broken, of course. Like when I turn it on, it just doing a ding on it. And yeah, that's a rumbling truck. And this one does exercises really well, but yeah. Yeah, it's just tumble tango, not tumble. But if I push it, see, it does not work either. And that sensor does not work either. But when I first time bought it, it worked. But now the sensor's not working. I kept shaking in to see what it does, and it does the same thing. But this one is fine. That small one's fine. I just got this one like another day ago. Yeah. Yeah. I was wrong. I did not got that yesterday. I did not get this one yesterday because Mommy gave it to me yesterday, and because I did great on my doctors yesterday. And yeah, see, and I was in tumble again. And I think that's I also have to say on this. No, there's more. Let me turn up. I was gonna say this part. See this part? That's, oh my gosh. See that's the part of it. And here's the tickling part right here. And so yeah. I'll see you in the next video, and that's all it. See you later. And bye-bye.